Hello, welcome back to 271 Math. In this episode, we're doing two example problems that is asking us to expand logarithms. So let's start with example problem number 1. It is asking us to expand the log base 4 of 13 times b squared times c. So let's identify everything that's multiplied together. We have 13, b squared, and c. Just right there, using the addition property, we know that anything that's multiplied together inside of a logarithm can be expanded into individual logarithms. So we have log 4 of 13 plus log base 4 of b squared plus, let me write that down here, log 4 of c. Because of this addition and the addition property, we know that any adding logarithms can be condensed as a product, just like up here. So we are on the right track. Log base 4 of 13, that can't be simplified any further, but this can, using the power property. If we have any exponent inside of a logarithm, we take the power that it is and add it as a coefficient to the logarithm. And this one also can't be simplified any further. So we are nearly done with this example. So I have log base 4 of 13 plus 2 log base 4 of b plus log base 4 of c. I was able to write 2 as a coefficient according to the power property of logarithms. Okay, now we can go on to example problem number 2, which is asking us to take the natural log of the 8th root of x to the 7th times, in parentheses, x to the 4th plus 7. So for this one, we want to simplify all these powers over here. We know that the root of anything just means 1 over the n degree. So this is to the 8th root, so that'd be 1 over 8. So we have ln of x to the 7/8 times x to the 4th plus 7, that's to the power of 1/8. Now we could expand all of this. So we have ln x to the 7/8 plus ln x to the 4 plus 7, and that's to the power of 1/8. According to the power property of logarithms, we could rewrite this power as a coefficient. So let's do just that. We have 7/8 times ln of x plus 1/8. I'm just dragging this power over here as a coefficient because of the power property. 1/8 times ln to the x to the 4th times 7. That is our final answer. Thank you for watching.